extraction report for Robert Baker's Samsung S8, item number 121. It's one page. May it be marked, please, as People's 271.
Yes.
Detective, showing you what's been marked as People's Exhibit 271. Top of this document reads Celebrate. Creation time 11/28 of 2016 at 2:16 in the morning, which would be California time. And this is for a Google Android. Do you know what this document reflects?
Yes.
No foundation.
Oh.
And what is that?
That is an extraction from Robert Baker's cell phone, his Samsung cell phone, and he is creating a lifestyle lounge account.
Did you also review information or what's referred to as an image file from the defendant's computer, that being an HP desktop that was in the second floor of the Sementilli residence that was booked as item number 88?
I did.
And was there information on that computer that pertained to things such as Bike Week in Myrtle Beach?
Yes.
Did it also...
I'm going to object, Your Honor. Motion to strike. There's no foundation. There's no report. And nothing indicates witness has the ability to make those conclusions.
Are you done with your speaking objection?
I am.
Have we talked about this before?
We have, and I'm trying to figure out the exact words to use for the exact.
Overruled.
Again, in reviewing the image file, you caused that computer as well as various electronic devices to be reprocessed throughout the time that you handled the case, correct?
That's correct.
What is the point of reprocessing various devices once they've been processed the first time?
It's to use the newest technology in order to extract additional information that may not have been captured on the first try at processing the item, and a lot of times we'll get items that were previously deleted or didn't show up in the first capture.
So, in other words, as you use newer software programs or updated programs, you're able to perhaps find more data in what's referred to as the unallocated space on devices, correct?
Correct.
Areas where items have been deleted but maybe not yet written over.
Correct.
And in each of these cases were reports written for the prosecution and the defense with respect to the actual processing of all of these devices.
Yes, they were.
And with respect to, again, HP desktop item number 88, was there also various searches for queries through the computer for life insurance paid when a person who has a life insurance policy is murdered, in cases of murder?
Your Honor, no objection. This would be based on hearsay.
It's overruled.
No foundation.
Again, it's overruled.
Yes.
Okay. And was some of those searches, were those occurring on May 21st of 2017 after Mr. Sementilli's murder.
That's correct.
Were there also various searches on February 12th of 2017 for secured online solutions for transferring large volumes of encrypted or sensitive data?
There was.
And was there also, even as late as June 4th of 2017, searches for lifestyle lounge and the chat feature, member chat ID information?
Yes.
I have nothing further.
Mayor Cross.
Detective, first of all, welcome back.
Thank you.
Feel like before I'm done, I will have questioned every robbery homicide detective in the LAPD.
Your Honor, again, I'm going to object to counsel testifying.
It was not meant in bad faith. It's all right.
Did you perform the examination of the item that you just referenced, which was what, a laptop computer, did you say?
It was a desktop computer.
Desktop.
I did not extract the information, but I did look at the results from that extraction.
And who did the extraction?
I believe the first time around it was Detective George Diaz, and the second time around, I want to say his first name was David. It was a detective. I can't recall his last name at this point.
Are they still active detectives or officers in the Los Angeles Police Department?
I believe they both have retired.
Okay. And were you present when they conducted their examinations?
Not the extraction. It's a process, from my understanding, that takes a considerable amount of time, but I did drop off all the information to them. They pick up the item from our property division, and then when the download is ready, I pick up the hard drive.
Okay, and so basically they gave you the results.
Yes, they did.
And this was with new technology, you said?
Yes.
And obviously, I wouldn't say obviously, but your background and training is not in this field of examination. You would not have been able to do this examination yourself.
I would not be able to do the extraction.
But you could read it. They gave you the results, and then that's what you're relating here today. Is that correct?
Correct. The results in their accompanied report.
Okay. And is the computer still available to be examined as it was back then? Do you know?
I believe so. There's no reason that it shouldn't be.
Could we approach regional